How to turn off and on protection on Windows 11. So in order for us to get this done, I want you to go ahead and look for Windows Security, and you should be seeing something like this. Now, there are a couple of things that we are going to do here. The first is virus and threat protection. If you don't see it here, you should be able to see it here at the side. And the first thing that we are going to do is just try to look for the virus and threat protection settings. Go ahead and click Manage the Settings, and then you are just going to go ahead and basically toggle off all of these down here. So I'm going to go ahead and proceed. I'm going to do the first one, and then if you are prompted, make sure that you click yes, and I'm going to do so here, here, and here as well. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is basically open the CMD. Make sure you are going to run this one as an administrator. Once you have opened it just like so, I want you to go ahead and type here GP update. And then as you can see, Windows is going to update the policy for us. You will know when it's done because you are going to see something like this. But yeah, basically that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.